You basically figure out a base starting point of roughly how much of a few different colorants to kind of direct you into a certain color you're aiming for. Pretty often when we make a barrel, it'll usually be really close, but sometimes we'll have to make adjustments of a little more of this or a little less of that. I mean, I like making things with recipes. I like figuring out problems. I also like working with my hands and creating things, and so it's kind of a little bit of all of that, and being able to see at the end of the day what my time and efforts and energy has gone to creating, seeing a finished product come out, just really feels good.